Steel transfer technology, steel prime. Specially developed for the shipbuilding and offshore platform sector, the steel prime characteristic simplifies welding on primed base metal. The advantage lies in the specially developed arc. Steel prime is particularly suitable for fillet and vertical up welds. Steel transfer technology, steel. The universal characteristic steel can be set quickly and easily directly on the welding system. Because it's a universal characteristic with an extremely stable arc, the steel characteristic has a wide spectrum of application in all possible welding positions. Because it's a universal characteristic with an extremely stable arc, the steel characteristic has a wide spectrum of application in all possible welding positions. Steel transfer technology, steel dynamic. The concentrated and flexible arc ensures deep, narrow penetration. The area of application for steel dynamic ranges from fillet welds and narrow gap welds to vertical down welds. Steel dynamic has huge advantages, especially for hard to get to weldments. Steel Transfer Technology, Steel Route. The soft, stable arc leads to a viscous, easily modulatable weld pool. Excellent gap bridgeability and perfect, easy route welding with no need for any weld pool backing support. These are the clinching arguments. Thanks to its ideal weld pool, the most common applications for steel route are route welding and tube welds. This characteristic also performs well on ultra-thin sheet applications. High-performance welding with steel transfer technology. Processes delivering deposition rates of 8 kg an hour and upwards are referred to as high-performance welding. In order to achieve deposition rates like this, the entire welding system has to be extremely rugged, with all its components designed for perfect interoperability. From the power source right the way through to the torch, all the system components have to work together reliably. The TransSteel 5000 is paired with the AW7000, a torch with a 2-circuit cooling system, to create a system that intermeshes right down to the last detail. High-performance welding is mainly used in construction machinery, steel and crane construction, and in shipbuilding, as well as offshore and in construction of tanks and vessels. Welding with FCWs and steel transfer technology. The interplay between the TransSteel and the self-travelling automation components, the FDVs, functions perfectly. The advantage of the battery-powered longitudinal travel carriage, equipped with a permanent magnet, are plain to see. Compact, lightweight design, control panel integrated onto the travel carriage, no mains cable necessary, and a single universal torch holder for both manual and machine-type torches. The welding was done here in 3 passes with flux cord wires. Layer 1 at a speed of 5.5 inches per minute, Layer 2 at 6.9 inches per minute, and Layer 3 at 3.9 inches per minute. The Fronius FDVs are highly versatile and can be used in both mechanized and manual applications, for example in structural steel fabrication, shipbuilding, and in the construction of tanks and vessels. Steel Transfer Technology, Chrome-Nickel Route. This chrome-nickel characteristic is particularly suitable for root welding on chrome-nickel sheets and for thin sheets. Electrode welding with steel transfer technology. If the welding task requires electrode welding, simply plug the electrode cable directly into the welding system and you're ready to weld again. The system can easily be adjusted by a remote control unit here. In this way, there's no difficulty in responding quickly and flexibly as each situation demands.